Hello, my name is Apurva Samanto. I welcome you to LearnerBuddy. Today, I will talk about Automation Vidyalaya, which is a virtual training session presented by UiPath Community Kolkata Chapter. Automation Vidyalaya is a no-cost training initiative taken by UiPath Kolkata Community Chapter to educate newbies about robotic process automation, that is well known as RPA, keeping UiPath in the center. Let us now go to Automation Vidyalaya training page. To go to Automation Vidyalaya training page, just scan the QR code present over here. Also, I will give the direct link to the video description. So let us now go to Automation Vidyalaya training page. So this is the Automation Vidyalaya training series page where you will be finding each and every details about Automation Vidyalaya training series. So the event will be starting from 17th July 2023 and it will be ending on 1st August 2023. This training series will be on every weekday and it will start from 8 p.m. IST and it will last at 9:30 p.m. IST. So before register to Automation Vidyalaya, you should know what RPA actually is. Just to let you know what RPA actually is, we have kept some basic details about RPA here. Just have a read. Now, you will be thinking about why you should learn RPA. So just to resolve your doubt, we have written why you should learn RPA over here. Just have a read. You will get to know why you should learn RPA. I have already talked about what Automation Vidyalaya actually is. Now, let us have a look on the USPs of Automation Vidyalaya. The USPs are assistance in UiPath Diploma certification, daily 1 to 1.5 hours of training on weekdays, more than 15 industry experts are coming just to teach you, training at no cost, learner of the session and series swag for the quiz topper of a particular session, practical use cases and the hands-on trainings will be provided. Now, who should attend this Automation Vidyalaya training series? Students, academic professionals, freshers in the industry, RPA developers, and the working professionals who are having a cross-skilling mindset, they can also join. What will be the key takeaways from this Automation Vidyalaya training series? So you will understand the basic things about RPA, you will understand RPA tools and technologies, you will get basic knowledge on the UiPath ecosystem, you will be finding step-by-step learning of UiPath Studio, and you will get to know about automation best practices. So now, how many sessions are there in Automation Vidyalaya? In Automation Vidyalaya training series, there are 12 virtual sessions. All these sessions will be conducted on weekdays. That means it will be conducted from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be off. And these sessions will be conducted from 8 p.m. IST to 9:30 p.m. IST. This series will start on 17th July 2023 and it will end on 1st August 2023. Before we register for each of the sessions, so let us check the agenda. If you go to this agenda section, you will be finding each and every day where the Automation Vidyalaya training series events will be there. Just play with these tiles and you will get to know that on which day, which particular session will be there. Now, let us see that who are the speakers and moderators. So, we are having RP experts from the industry as our speakers and moderators, and they are coming from reputed organizations. So you can just scroll down the page and you can just get to know who will be the moderator and who are the speakers. So now let us go to register ourselves in Automation Vidyalaya. In this training page, in main page, actually, you will be finding login to register, but we don't need to register for this particular event main page because this is only the main page, means the parent page, but there will be no sessions according to this Automation Vidyalaya main event page. Rather, we just need to go to each tiles over here, and we just need to register for each session present over here. So there are total 12 sessions, and you can find every session in this section. So let us just go to register one by one session, and you should register each and every session just to get an continue overview on UiPath tool, and you will be having a whole idea once you will be having the knowledge from each of the sessions. So let us go one by one. So I am just clicking on introduction to RPA and UiPath. So you will be finding a new page. So here is that particular introduction to RPA and UiPath training session page, and here you just need to click on login to register. As I am doing with this ID for the first time, so that's why I am just getting that page called login to register, and now I will be going with continue with Google. So now I am having that particular mail ID. Okay, so now I have logged in, and now I'll be having register here button. So I just need to click over here, and it will now ask me some basic question. So the first name had already been filled, last name already been filled, email ID already captured. So now it is asking what company or university are you part of. So currently I am working with UIGDS. So let me just put UIGDS. Now it is asking for my job title. So I am working as senior software engineer. So now it is asking for which city I am currently located in. So I am from Kolkata. So what is the state? West Bengal. So country, need to select India. So we have received India. Mobile number you can put or you may not put. So for here, so it is asking for I have read and I agree with the UiPath Community Code of Conduct. So you can also just have a read over here, but I know this thing, so that's why I am clicking on yes. So now the second checkbox is for if you want some further communication from UiPath Kolkata community. So that's why if you want, so you just check this checkbox, otherwise you just keep it as it is. And now you can find one more checkbox. It is asking me if I need to be added in this local community chapter events or not. Okay, so I want to be associated with this chapter, so I am just checked. I've just checked over here. Now I am just submitting. Okay, so once I will submit, I will be receiving one mail, and we on my particular mail ID, and you can also click over here add to calendar just to add this event on your calendar. And once you will be joining, so you can join from at that particular time only. You can just join from joint event link, otherwise you'll be receiving the link just to join. So if I just go to my Gmail, yeah, so we can see that we have registered for introduction to RPA and UiPath, and this is from UiPath Kolkata community. So I have received my ticket, and this is the virtual event URL I need to join with. Okay, and I have received the ticket. So that's it. And now I need to go to the second event, that is, so as of now I am just closing. And before closing, you can also check that for a particular event, so let's suppose this is for introduction to RPA and UiPath who is the speaker and who is the moderator. So for this event, I'll be the speaker. So here is me, Apurva Samanta, and here the moderator, that will be Mrityunjay Hota, will be the moderator, and this speaker and moderator list will be there for each of the sessions. So let me just close this one because I have already registered to this, and let me go back and let me go with the second one. So here the second one, so I have already logged in, so that's why, because in the first session I have already logged into this particular page, right? So that's why I don't need to log in again. So I am only receiving the register here option. So I will be clicking on register here option, and all the details I filled on the last session, so all will be captured. So I don't need to put these particular details again and again. So all will be pre-filled. So all these things are okay. So I am not receiving the last checkbox because I have already checked it. So now I am clicking on the submit button, and that will be the funda. And here also you can see for this particular event, speaker will be Madhav Hajra and moderator will be Ved Sen Gupta. So let me just do it quick now. Wait for the third one. Okay, so register here. All the pre-filled details will be there. So I just need to click on submit. It's done. Here also you can find the speaker and moderator. Santan will be the speaker and moderator will be Vivekananda. Let me close it. Variables and arguments. This is the fourth session under Automation Vidyalaya training series. So I just need to click on register here. And all the pre-filled details are there. Now click on submit. It's done. Here also you can just see speaker will be Gitanjali and moderator will be Sukla. Now go for the fifth one. Excel automation. So again the same thing. And for this event, speaker will be Showborno and moderator will be Vivekananda. Sixth one, PDF automation. Doing the same thing. And for this one, speaker will be Shourabh and moderator will be Ved. Email automation. For email automation, speaker will be again Gitanjali and moderator will be Sagar. Now UI automation. And for UI automation, I'll be the speaker and moderator will be Abhishek. So what I am trying to say that if we want to get proper knowledge on UiPath Studio from the very basic level, or means from the zero level, so you need to go through each and every event present in this particular screen. Means you need to cover 12 sessions just to have proper understanding on UiPath Studio. So the eighth one done. So now going with the ninth one, logging in UiPath. So logging is a very good concept. So I just need to click on register here. So for this event, Sobarno will be the speaker and moderator will be Mrityunjay. Now debugging. Each and every session in this Automation Vidyalaya training series is very, very important, just to know the UiPath platform and the basic development fundamentals from very beginning to the advanced level of things. So I just need to click on register here option, click on submit. So for this event, Pradum will be the speaker and moderator will be Sagar. So now exception handling. So for exception handling, Mustaq will be the speaker and Shukla will be the moderator. For best practices, so this is the UiPath or automation development best practices where you get to know that how you should develop. So I'm just clicking on register here. And one more thing is that in every session page, you will get to know that what will be the session topics and what are the prerequisites before joining the session. So you should be very careful about these things, that what you will be learning in this topic and what are the prerequisites before you are joining to this session. And for this session, Dibweti will be the speaker and moderator will be Abhishek. So that's it. Now if I am just going back, so we have registered for all the 12 sessions under Automation Vidyalaya training series. So I should receive 12 particular emails or 12 unique emails with the links of 12 particular sessions. So now let me go back. Yeah, you can see we have received the first one. This is for the second one, where it is saying for the second session, familiarization with UiPath Studio. The third one, this is types of workflows in UiPath. This is for the fourth one, variables and arguments and imports. This is the fifth one, that is Excel automation. This is the sixth one, that is PDF automation. This is the seventh one, that is for email automation. This is the eighth one, that is for UI automation. This is the ninth one, that is logging in UiPath. This is the 10th one for debugging. This is the 11th one for error and exception handling. And this is the last one, the 12th one for development best practices. Okay, so for each one of the session what we have just registered, will be receiving the tickets for each session, and we just need to go inside that particular ticket. We'll be having the date, time, everything, and we just need to click on this virtual event URL link just to join that particular session. That's it. Once you will be clicking on here, so you will be landing. Just let it load. Okay, it is taking some time. Yeah, so you will be landing on that particular event page, and during that particular session, so the session will be starting from 8 p.m. IST. So what you need to do, you just need to click on the join event link, and you will be there inside that particular session, means inside that particular session meeting. So that's it, and hope you will be having a good learning opportunity here, and you will get to know everything. And as you know the features of Automation Vidyalaya training series and what are the USPs, so I think it will be very much helpful to you to start your career in robotic process automation field or the RPA industry, and you can just learn it from the very beginning, means the 0 level. So thank you so much for being there with me, just to know that how you will be registering for this particular sessions, and how Automation Vidyalaya will be helpful for your career. So if you stay connected with me, you can just have a connect with me on LinkedIn, and this is my LinkedIn ID. So you can just go to LinkedIn and search with 23 Apurva. You will be finding me with the same image. Stay connected with LearnerBuddy to learn together with LearnerBuddy. Thank you.